We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make stovetop granola. Start by heating a large skillet over medium-low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Avocado oil can work well in this case as well. Next, add 1 tablespoon of natural liquid sweetener. This can be honey, maple syrup, agave. Use whatever you have on hand, and it also works with your recipe. Next, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for additional sweetness and just a dash of salt to help pull it all together. You can also add spices at this time. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of flavor extract. Give that all a nice stir and warm it just until it begins to come together and looks kind of melty and bubbly. Next, add 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. Then, 1/2 cup of nuts, seeds, and/or shredded coconut. Up to you, and the options are endless. Give all of that a good stir, making sure to coat the oats, nuts, and coconut fully with the oil sweetener mixture. Continue to cook, stirring frequently for 7 to 10 minutes or until the oats and nuts are toasted and golden brown. Remove from the heat and spread on a baking sheet or sheet of parchment paper to cool. The granola will continue to crisp as it cools. Once cool, you can add additions to your taste, like dried fruit, chocolate chips, whatever sounds good to you. Check out the recipe in the description. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.